Hello everyone. In this session, we are discuss about controlling. Controlling is the process of bringing about conformity of performs with actual plan action. It helps is taking timely corrective measures to bring the actual and desired results close to each other. Controlling helps in formatting future plan also. It is required in all types of organization and at all levels of management. Controlling is indispensable function of management. Management function starts with planning and ends with controlling. Controlling is one of the managerial functions like planning, organizing, staffing, and directing. It is an important function as it ensures that there is effective and efficient utilization of organizational resources so as to achieve the planned goals. Controlling measures the deviation of actual performance from the standard performance, discovers the cause of such deviations and helps in corrective action. According to modern concepts, control is forecasting action, whereas earlier concept of control was used when errors were detected. Control in management means setting standards, measuring actual performance and taking corrective actions. Dear friends, now see the definition of controlling. First definition is according to Kuntz and O'Donnell. Managerial control implies the measurement of accomplishment against the standard and the correction of deviations to ensure attainment of objectives according to plans. Another definition is Philip Kotler. Control is the process of taking steps to bring actual results and desired results closer together. Now, see the importance of controlling. First point, fulfilling goals of organization. Controlling is the function of measuring the performance at every possible stage, finding out the deviations, if any, and taking corrective actions according to plan activities for the organization. Thus, it helps in fulfilling the organizational goals. Next, making efficient utilization of resources. Various techniques are used by managers to reduce wastage of material and spoilage of other resources. Standards are set for every performance. Employees have to follow these standards. As the effect of this, the resources are used by employees in the most efficient and effective manner so as to achieve organizational objectives. Next, accuracy of standards. An efficient control system helps management in judging the accuracy of standard, whether they are accurate or not. Controlling measures are flexible to some extent. So, after reviewing them according to changing circumstances, they are revised from time to time, which is beneficial for checking performs accurately. Next, motivates employee. After setting standards of checking performs, they are communicated to employees in advance. Due to this, employees get an idea about what to do and how to do. Performs are evaluated, and on that basis, employees are rewarded in the form of increment, bonus, promotion, etc. It motivates the employees to perform at their best level. Next, ensures order and discipline. Controlling is the function of order and maintaining discipline. It works for reducing unprofessional behavior of the employees. Discipline is maintained by continuous checking of performances by the superiors, and prevent actions are taken to minimize the gap between actual and standards. Next, facilitates coordination. Control is a function in which the roles and responsibilities of all departmental managers and the subordinates are designed clearly. Coordination between them helps to find out the deviations in their respective departments and to use remedial measures for desired results of the organization. Next, psychological pressure. The performs are evaluated with the standard targets. The employees are very well aware that their performance will be evaluated and they will be rewarded accordingly. This psychological pressure works as a motivational factor for employees to give their best performance. Next, ensures organizational efficiency and effectiveness. Factors of control include making managers responsible, motivating them for higher performance, and achieving departmental coordination. It ensures about organizational efficiency and effectiveness. Next, builds good corporate image. Controlling function helps to improve the overall performance of the organization. Minimum deviation in predetermined standards and actual performance results into the progress of business. It can be achieved with the help of proper control. This builds good corporate image and bring goodwill for the business. Next, acts as a guide. Controlling function provides set of standard performs. Manager as well as subordinates work according to it. Wherever necessary, they can take the help of these standards and can achieve desired results. Thus, controlling function acts as a guide for everyone. The step taken for controlling an activity guide the management while planning the future activities. Thank you.